How to buy Nanobanana tokens. Are you guys facing issue to buy tokens in Nanobanana.AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome or browser on a laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, search for Nanobanana.AI website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in now, navigate to the market or buy token sections. Here you will see a list of available tokens along with the current prices. Just simply tap on Showcase. After you click on Showcase, you will be able to see these tokens or showcases. Next, choose your preferred payment methods such as deposit balance, bank transfer or digital wallet. Review all the details carefully including the token quantity and total cost. Then click Buy or Confirm. The transaction will be processed and the purchase tokens will appear in a nanobanana.ai wallet. Always double check the token name and amount before confirming. That's it guys. That's how you're gonna buy tokens in nanobanana.ai. Bye bye.